Hello everyone, welcome to the module on key people in assessment process, that is parents and family. Early childhood assessment is a device to collect substantial information about a child's growth and development and provide the information to teachers, educators, parents, families and significant others. Assessment is a process. It is a process of gathering facts or information about a child, studying the information, revising and reviewing the information so that suitable educational activities can be planned. Childhood assessment helps to plan educational activities that are at child's level so that the child is able to learn and understand easily. Assessment is considered to be a significant part of a high-quality early childhood education program. When an assessment is done, the child is observed or when he or she knows and what he or she can do. Assessment leads to observation and documentation. Observing and documenting a child's work and performance over a course of time mirrors the growth and development of the child, thereby leading to keep records and document the growth and development. With this documentation, effective curriculum with suitable instructions, both group and individualized instructions can be planned for each child depending on the level of child's ability. Assessment records are also of importance to parents so that parents can follow their child's progress in their growth and development. This assessment record is also a great tool to share with parents so they can follow their child's progress at school, recognize strengths and limitations of their child, and realize their role in extending support in learning. This module steers through recognizing parents and family as key people in assessment process of children. The learning outcomes of this video would be: recognize the importance of early childhood assessment and comprehend the need for parents and families in the assessment process. The importance of parents and family involvement in assessment. If a child is recommended for an assessment, parents are afraid, scared and anxious and even feel guilty, as parents do not like to hear that their child has a problem. Hence, it is important for parents to know that assessment is just an appraisal of the child. It is not a diagnosis or is not a sign of something wrong. At the same time, it is important for parents to be open about assessment and for certain suggestions on working with children at home so that both the child and parents can be benefited. Today, children's development have become one of the top priorities of parents. Today's parents are showing much interest in their child's activities and have become more involved than they ever have been. This involvement of parents is seen through the school years of their children than the preschool years. When it comes for preschool years, parents tend to just find a substitute caretakers for their children when they are away rather than education point of view. Hence, many parents just come and drop off their kids to preschool in the morning and are happy when teachers or caretakers take over and pick them back in the evening without giving much importance to the learning of their children, as well as not giving much thought about the kind of stimulating environment that the child has spent his or her day. So, at this point, it becomes important to sensitize parents about the child's development during early childhood years, as brain development takes place during these years and most of the important cognitive development happens during the preschool years. Therefore, parents should know how their child spent the day at preschool and what their child is learning throughout the day. To be benefited from early childhood education, parents need to think over about their child's learning and consider how they can support their children in their learning. Parents should realize that by participating actively in their child's early childhood education process, they can provide all the support children need to develop to their full potential. Parents' involvement makes more positive experience for children, in turn helping children to perform better. Further, the key element of a child's development and learning is the connection between the home and school, which should be bridged by parents. Supporting the learning at preschool and at home is vital for parents. Parents who are fully informed about what is happening at school are at advantage of coordinating well between what is learnt at school and what should be done at home. This way, if a parent is in tune with school's activities, can have an equally stimulating home environment, and parental involvement help extending teaching outside classroom as well. Parent involvement in early childhood education helps in providing better experience to children. The experiences that a child has in classroom can be extended to home with real world activities. Parents who have a good understanding about their child's learning at preschool will have a clear picture of their child's abilities and capacities as well as the lacunae. It is important to involve parents in the child's learning process and help them to understand that parents and family are key people in the process of assessment of children. It takes strong effort in making the parents an important partner in early childhood care and education so that there can be positive impact on the child's learning and development. Thank you.